Hey guys, welcome back to G-Shot Outdoors. So, if you watched my video yesterday, you saw me getting the range ready for today's video. Today, we're gonna do some short range shooting for the most part, mostly pistols, but then I'm gonna try something a little bit different. And I'm gonna have a few guns that you haven't seen before. Today, we are going to shoot a few rounds at that target right there. Again, if you saw my video yesterday, you got a little sneak peek. But today I'm actually going to show you what guns I'm using, and I'm going to use a few more guns. So what we're going to shoot first is going to be this little 25 auto. See that little tiny bullet? It's slightly larger than a 22 LR. As for gunpowder, I'd say it's probably about the same, so it's not going to have a lot of punch to it. It's mainly made for short range, light defense. That's the palm of my hand. It's so small. But this is a Raven Arms. You see right there. Raven Arms. Model P25. Alright, so let's see how it does at about 12, maybe 15 yards. This thing is so small, like I have to keep my thumb way back here. Man, cannot hit that thing. I can't figure out where to reference the front and the rear sight. It might just be extremely inaccurate at such a long distance because that's such a small barrel. This is the round. Once that goes in there, you've got like maybe 1.5 inches of barrel. Not to mention that little tiny 25, so yeah. All right, we're gonna go through one more magazine and see if I can't hit that target a few more times. And then we're gonna move to our next gun. Okay, so I shot a few rounds off camera and I had to shorten my distance. I had to go about half as far as I am right now to be able to hit it every time. I got a group of like 3 or so right to the right and down a hair, so I'm gonna try to aim like that and see if I can't hit a few from back here. Well, I got the last one. So let's go see what this did to our target. Oh yeah, you see, once I got close, I hit several here. I think I hit that one. So it's just not a long range gun by any means. Once you get past 10 feet, you might as well throw in the towel because you're not gonna hit your target. So our next gun of the day is the first gun that I shot with yesterday, although I didn't show you what it was. This is my 380 Buddy Guard, Smith & Wesson M&P. That 380 is quite a bit bigger than the 25 auto, and these are actually hollow points as well. We're gonna see what we can hit. Oh man. There we go. And that's it, folks. Let's go see what we did to our target. Oh yeah. So, you can tell that was the first hit. Right there, that's the reason this swung around. You can even see there's some lead stuck to that plate. Some pretty decent grouping. It looks like I hit one there, there, and there. Yeah. All right, so now let's move on up. Okay, so for our next gun, it's actually going to be the same size diameter, but a lot more gunpowder. We've got a 38, a Smith & Wesson 38 Special. Just look at that shine. Revolver. There's your 38 Special. That is a lot longer than that 38. Or, sorry, 380. Let's see what we can hit with this thing. By the way, I've never shot this, so we'll see what happens. Woo! That is a quick trigger. I wasn't expecting that. Oh man. I think I hit the pole. Okay. Yeah. Nice. And that was all 6 rounds. Let's go see our damage. So it looks like I need to aim a little further right because I was hitting it here. And same over here, yeah. It's definitely more accurate than that 25 auto. But let's try aiming a little further left. We'll do 6 more. Okay, so we got 6 new rounds in there. Now she's ready to fire. White right. Oh yeah, it shoots to the right for sure. Yeah, baby. Blue 42. Woohoo! Not too shabby. Oh man. Last one. Going for the gold. Yeah. All right. Let's go see what we did this time. So I was actually shooting a little high on the blue. Probably because it was hanging down. I don't know. But, so there's the white. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then the 6th was missed. So, it's not too bad. Especially for my first time ever shooting that gun, I think. About 15 yards. Oh man, I just found this. Just happened to see it laying there. Oh, well, you see all those little ants that I was talking about yesterday. You see I wore pants and boots to keep these ants from biting my legs. There is the lead. I'm assuming that's from that 38 Special, but I can't be positive. There's a bunch of them. Look at that. It's the copper jacket. There's some more over there. That is so cool. Look at that. There's so many of them. I think that was a 25 auto. That's pretty small. Well, that right there is just, that is so cool to me. All right, let's go shoot something bigger. So next we are going to shoot this Springfield Armory XD 45 ACP. You see it right there with a 4.5-inch barrel. That's the 38 Special. There's the 45 ACP. See, it's a much larger bullet, shorter cartridge, probably about the same gunpowder, but it's going to be a much bigger projectile. Let's see how we do. There it is. Okay, getting too fast. Well, guess that leaves the red one. Barely hit it. Let's go check out our damage. So this one completely flew off and is back here in the dirt. Again, I'm gonna have to reinforce this better. All right, yeah, so you can see I hit it there, and that caused it to just fly off. Got this one here, it hit a little bit high. And then we got the one over here. So, yeah. I shot at this one, and oh, I did hit it. See that little nick right there? I knew I saw it swing, but I barely tipped it. So next we're gonna shoot 223. You see it right there? Let's see what we can hit from back here. Those little 4-inch targets are gonna be tough. I'm gonna try the blue again. It's probably gonna knock it off this time. Now for the red. I'm going to try to balance on this magazine and see if I can't hit several in a row. Oh yes. And that was a miss. No! Chambered with no round. Magazine didn't catch it. That's odd. So let's go see our damage. Apparently my memory card errored out somehow. For some reason it didn't get the last bit, but look at this damage. Wow. Look at that trench. It dug a freaking trench just from hitting so much and throwing all that metal out. Here's target number 1. That's awesome. Oh man, it actually dented it up there. This is AR-15 steel, 3/8 inch too. Target number 2 made its way back here. Yeah, that looks pretty good. Looks like we got 1, 2, 3, 4 hits. And then it flew off. Target number 3. Got ants all over it. Oh yeah. 4 shots on that one. And target number 4. Holy crap. I didn't realize I shot it that many times. So yeah, that was fun. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this. I had a lot of fun, and I will definitely be shooting this target again. Like I said, I need to get some new hangers for it, because those hangers are just literally clothes hangers that I twisted up and around because I didn't have anything else at the time. But I'm gonna get something a little more durable that will hold them steady. I guess that's it tonight. So we love you, and we'll catch you on the flip side. Woo! At least I don't have to hit a 2-inch target this time. I've got a least I don't have to hit a foot. Now we're gonna try 200 yards again. What kind of fish you think you'll catch in here?
I don't know. Just kind of fish. Yeah, I don't think I did it.
Really caught a little pinfish. And look at that hole. That is some hole. See that target. Look at this. Pulling him good now. Really see him down there now. Looks like we locked down our 100-yard target. See that? Pretty blue, white, and black. Oh my goodness. See you on the flip side. No! Try it again.